Assalamu alaikum, this is Muhammad Bakri from Community of Babel. Welcome to another video, and in today's video we are going to talk about the conjunction an. An means that, and this conjunction, this word is used to connect two verbs, and it's mostly used with verbs that imply desire, fear, doubt, or any other emotion. So for example, if I want to say he wants to watch the match, okay, هو he يريد أن يشاهد المباراة. So هو يريد أن, he wants that. يشاهد, this verb is conjugated with the subject. يشاهد, he watches. المباراة, so literally he wants that he watches the match. هو يريد أن يشاهد المباراة. Another way to form the sentence in standard Arabic is to use masdar. Masdar, it's like the infinitive. It's not infinitive because it's not a verb, it's a noun. So هو يريد مشاهدة المباراة. مشاهدة أو مشاهدة أو مشاهدة المباراة, it means watching the match. So it's مشاهدة means watching. It's a noun. So هو يريد مشاهدة المباراة, he wants to watch the match, or he wants watching the match. But this way to make the sentence is much more difficult, of course, because there are many patterns for different verbs to get the masdar, okay, or this word that looks like the infinitive. So the easier and the most common way to connect two verbs is to use an, okay, that. Another example is هم طلبوا مني أن أساعدهم. هم طلبوا مني أن أساعدهم. They طلبوا مني, they asked me, but literally it means they requested from me. هم طلبوا مني, they requested from me, or they asked me. أن أساعدهم. أساعدهم, I help them. So they asked me to help them. هم طلبوا مني أن أساعدهم. Another example is هي تستطيع أن تقرأ. هي تستطيع أن تقرأ. She تستطيع, she can. أن تقرأ, that she reads literally, but she can read. هي تستطيع أن تقرأ. The last example is نحن نحاول أن نفهم. نحن نحاول أن نفهم. نحن, we, نحاول, we try, أن نفهم, that we understand. So نحن نحاول أن نفهم, we try to understand. So almost all the verbs that are followed by another verb, we have to use an, which means that, and then followed by the verb conjugated with the same subject. I hope this video has been useful to you, because a lot of students make this mistake because they want to use the infinitive, but there is no infinitive, so we have to use an and then to use the verb conjugated in the present. And by the way, even if the sentence is in the past tense, the verb after an should be conjugated always in the present tense and not in the past. I hope this video has been useful to you, and if you like our videos, you can subscribe to our channel, and you can visit our website for more lessons. See you in another video.